Instagram has rolled out its TV app for Samsung TVs as well in the US. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech updates. Instagram launched the app back in December for Amazon Fire TV devices as a way to watch Reels on a bigger screen before rolling it out to Google TVs in February this year. It groups Reels into channels with different topics such as music, sports, and travel. So if you're with friends or family, you can find things to watch based on your common interests. You can now also watch stories from friends and creators on the TV as well. Plus, Instagram is testing 2 more features that are designed to make discovering, sharing, and enjoying Instagram easier with the people around you. One of those features is to cast Reels from your phone or videos from the Saved tab to your TV, while the app itself was built around Reels. This test feature will make it much easier to share Reels you found funny or informative that you don't see in the app's channels. The second experimental feature is a dedicated home for horizontal videos, which lets you quickly find content that's better enjoyed on TVs and computers than phones. Aside from these features, Instagram is working on more format made to be watched on a bigger screen and together with family and friends. It says it's exploring ways for creators to be able to make and post long-form videos for more in-depth looks at specific topics and stories. Instagram is looking to make episodic series for TV viewing as well. Finally, it's working to bring live streams to TVs. Instagram says it's working closely with creators to understand what works best on TV and how these experiences can complement the ways people already use Instagram. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.